this blog, we will see how to share data from your application to any other application on your device. So for example, whenever you have installed an application and you want to share that application with your friends, you can make use of using this share feature on your application. And also, if there is some information on your application and you want to send that information through the message, email, or any other way through your device, then it's the best way to use this share in your application. So this is a good feature when you want to make sure you want to share not only data, you may share some images, videos, or any other things just like you do in your WhatsApp. So here now we are starting with adding the dependency here. So in PubSpec we are adding a shared dependency with the version 0.6.5. So this is the current version as of now. You may need to update it accordingly to the latest version available. So here initializing with void main, we are considering the default class my app, which is extending a stateful widget here. So here you can see we have declared two variables, text and subject. So we will be using them differently now. So we will be using them to share our text within the applications. So here you can see we have written a material app inside which we have declared a scaffold and an app bar stating the sample heading here. So this is a app bar heading. The body we have defined the padding, a padding of 24 on all sides, and inside the column we have made the alignment to be center here, start here. We have made the alignment to be start here, and inside the children we have defined two text fields here. So these are the two input fields through which we get the text and the subject here. So here when you tap on the raised button, we'll be checking whether the text is empty or not, and if the text is not empty, then we will go forward in sharing the text here. So here depending upon our application, we will be sharing our text. So now let us see the example one so that you will get a clarity now. So here we are entering some sample text here in the text field, and now let us try to share the text here. So here these are the applications which are available in our device. So now let us try to send a message using our data here. So when you tap on the messages, so here you can select the conversation and it will be asked you to select the contact name. So select any contact available on your device. Here you can see the text which you have made, which you have provided in your application. So this is a sample way of sharing a text here using a message, and also we will be seeing the another way through email also we will be seeing. And now we will try to enter any subject here. So and we will try to send an email now. So when you tap on the share button, you get again these options, and here when you tap on Gmail, so as we have specified subject there, so it will be placed our text in the subject field. So here you can see in place of subject we have placed our text. So these are the simple examples, but in the real time when you are using this in your application, you may share any important information which you want to share through any social networking sites or this kind of any personal messaging. So this is how we implement share feature in our Flutter application. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you are having any queries or want to share more information, so do let me know in the comment section below.